Welcome to MoonConnect. MoonConnect is a cryptocurrency that is claimed to be the most decentralized and fairly distributed token in the universe. With a minimum target holder of 5 million people, MoonConnect is planned to be distributed through various programs such as airdrops and rewards. Because it is different compared to the distribution system of most tokens, which only go through a token sale program. MoonConnect will not do this to avoid individuals or companies which will have the majority of the supply of tokens. So whales will not easily dump or pump MoonConnect tokens. Now many people have started using cryptocurrencies for their various transactions or investments. But if we look, most cryptocurrencies circulating today are distributed with a token sale system. Actually, there is nothing wrong with that. But a distribution system like this allows individuals or companies to have a majority of the supply where they can easily dump and pump the tokens. So here, MoonConnect is a cryptocurrency whose distribution is different compared to most cryptos on the market. MoonConnect will be distributed with a progressive distribution mechanism which is claimed to be a game changer. Later, this mechanism will be responsible for distributing 70% of the circulating supply to at least 5 million users. With a mechanism like this, it also allows MoonConnect to avoid whales that can have the majority of the token supply. If this method is successful, MoonConnect will become the most decentralized and fairly distributed token in the whole universe. Now it's time to talk about the token. MoonConnect, or abbreviated as MCONN, was launched with the main function as a utility token. MCONN is based on the Binance BP20 with a maximum total supply of 1 quadrillion MCONN tokens and will not increase. As explained earlier, the team plans to distribute MoonConnect to at least 5 million people, and this number could be more. User can be use MCONN token for various purposes such as sending it to others, or they can use it for transaction. If user want to get MCONN token, then they can participate in programs organized by MoonConnect. Now talk about their interface. The interface of MoonConnect is user-friendly, modern, and very responsible. Here user can navigate easily without any problems. The MoonConnect developer here also explains in detail what MoonConnect is and the feature it offers. Users here can find out about the advantage of having MoonConnect and how to get it. And finally, MoonConnect distribution mechanism is claimed to be a game changer in the crypto market because not many tokens dare to use the progressive distribution mechanism like what MoonConnect does. Later, this mechanism will be fully responsible for the distribution of 70% of the circulating supply to at least 5 million users through various programs. And if this method is successful, MoonConnect deserves to call the most decentralized and fairly distributed token in the whole crypto market. So hurry up and grab this golden opportunity. Wish you all the best.